Today we are visiting Love Feast, a prayer hall at Suribhi Road, Edappalli, Ernakulam. Active Designs considers it a blessing to have gotten the opportunity to construct and design this place of worship. The main entrance of the prayer hall is painted in crimson red while the interiors are white. This is meant to symbolize the atonement of all sins by Christ's blood. When a disciple passes through the threshold, he is cleansed of his sins and accepted into the home of God. The writing on the wall reinstates that this is the home of God and how it becomes everyone's home where all are welcome and equal. The dominance of white in the design creates a peaceful, calming and serene space for those seeking solace in the arms of God. The triangularly shaped texture paint pattern on the wall helps in reducing echo during prayer and also symbolizes the Holy Trinity. The design that takes acoustics into consideration makes sure that the room is sound isolated, making sure that no sounds from the prayer cause any disturbance to the neighbors. The screen on the right side creates a pseudo backstage and a sitting space for visiting pastors. The screen also employs the same triangular design and symbolism. The facilities include a small reception, a pantry, a feeding room, and gents and ladies washrooms, maximizing the utility of the space. The washrooms are gender demarcated using clay pots with plants. On climbing the stairs to the first floor, one can see the space for Sunday classes. This is the pastor's room. The wall hanging is meant to be a symbolic representation of Christ's call to Peter to make him the fishers of men. It also is reminiscent of Christ waiting on shore after he rose with food for the weary disciples. As it serves as a counseling room for those who are weary and disheartened, is the perfect fit for the room. The hall also has ample parking space and a fellowship area.
ചുരുങ്ങിയ സമയത്തിനുള്ളിൽ ഇത്രയും ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് ഈ ആലയം പണിയാൻ നമ്മളെ സഹായിച്ചത് കാരണം ഒരു വീട് പണിയുന്ന പോലെയല്ല ഒരു ആലയം പണിയുന്നത്. അതിന് ഒരു പ്രത്യേക നിയോഗത്തോട് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രമേ അത് നമുക്ക് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തുള്ളൂ. അതിന് നമ്മളെ സഹായിച്ച ആക്റ്റീവ് ഡിസൈൻസ് ടീം, പ്രത്യേകം അതിൻ്റെ MD മിസ്റ്റർ സേവ്യർ ആലുങ്കൽ, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ വൈഫ് മിസ്സസ് കാരോലിൻ സേവ്യർ, അവരോടുള്ള നന്ദി ഞങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. നല്ല കരഘോഷം അറിയിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾ ശക്തിയായിട്ട് കൈയടിച്ചാട്ടെ.
A journey for today ends here. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed.